lyrics and video violence all the rage, but young root singer bucking the trend. A little love and mercy going a long way.
I used to be called Samory, now I'm Samory officially, because that's my real name. It's the same person, with the same mindset, with the same actions, singing the same music. The beat may switch up now, you know what I'm saying, because I don't know in a modern time, you know, the beat can switch, but it's still roots on the same beat, you know what I'm saying. Even if I do a song with Joshy, Squash, it's just roots same way, you know what I'm saying. I adapt to the beat, but it's still roots on the beat, you know, because it's always righteousness from my Rastafari.
You're limited in terms of a local audience because the local market is into different artists.
I'm limited because of the mindset of people. A lot of these dancehall artists gravitate to what I man sing. Them just don't sing what I sing. Where I man go chill sometime to clear my head is where I man chill with. Sometime I meet up with some of the 6 members, them, you know what I'm saying? And they them gravitate to our music the same way I gravitate to theirs and many other dancehall artists.
People working for a change of scene, elevate, whole team celebrate as the dream take flight. And even though the road gets dark,
my market is the roots market, you know what I'm saying? There's many people listening to roots. How the youths them going to come across, we'll switch up the beat.
so I find the will to live, learn how to forgive.
With the album I'm working on right now with Winter James, you know what I'm saying, it's a test for that. The album is called Strength. I named the album after my son. I man call him Strength because he's my strength, you know. The album is about the system, how the system treat the youth, or what the system does to the ghetto. The ones them where fire shot, or the ones them where have tried not to fire shot, or the ones who are getting pulled into that type of lifestyle. I man do music with musicians, so if you're something else, then you know what I'm saying, we won't approach you. No slackness, no folly. A dancer artist know once him call, you know what I'm saying, once him call me or once me link him, is about righteousness, you know what I'm saying? It's not about, yo, we are gonna kill a boy there, you know, or yo, we could burn some weed. It's not that, you know what I'm saying? Like from a link with me, like I feel the spirit, man, because at that time man bring forward positivity in all ways.
Is it fair to say that fewer and fewer people in Jamaica are doing the kind of reggae music that the international market wants to hear?
That is the thing, you know what I'm saying? And that is what we lean to, roots music. It always come back around to the root of the thing. You get me? Where it all came from. Originality in its finest. I'm not saying reggae music sung by Europeans or Americans are not as good, or if not better than the music that Jamaicans are doing. But what we are doing is from the root. Everybody wants a piece of the root. We have songs with millions of views on YouTube. And a lot of those views are not from the Jamaican public because I man slow it down completely. Yeah, I'm not gonna stop slow it down either. Because some I get the word out internationally. I can't say and everybody understand me, you know what I'm saying? Because again, I am not a ends artist. I'm an international artist. And you're going to see a lot of these dancehall artists are going to slow it down. The ones who aren't already slowing it down. Once you see the world on an international basis, then of course that's the trend you're going to keep. It changed me completely. My mindset of how I saw the world. It's day here and it's night there. That is the first thing that blew my mind. Coming to the airport and people recognized who I am. We're doing this through righteousness. We're not chop or we're not kill. That way I deal it, and it has been working for us.
You got more recognition overseas than you did locally.
Yeah. They would be into dancehall too, you know, if majority of them understood what the artists them did say, if them did slow it down some. Because look, how international is rap music? How much of them are speak on guns? You know what I'm saying? How much of them are speak on crime? is the biggest genre of music in the world right now.
We say Rasta no gangsta. Who you say Rasta no gangsta?
If you slow it down, then I mean, hey, it will work for you, you know what I'm saying? But for me, I'm gonna always stay in the lane of righteousness because I have an example for set from my son. Troubled heart, you know, that every life has reason, for I made it so.